And this grand auditorium, the National Indoor Arena in Birmingham, well, it's a very prestigious venue, but this is just the finale to 8 weeks of celebrations. We have been involved in street theatre up and down the country, in all the towns, cities and villages. The Nirankari Mission has been involved in the Olympic torch relays, marshalling, volunteering. We have held music and arts concerts to promote NIS 2012. And of course, yesterday's Guinness World Record breaker, the Dance for Oneness. That's right. We're all world record breakers sitting here today. Today and tomorrow, we will be learning, exploring, really discovering what oneness means. How do we find oneness? How do we cultivate oneness? How do we maintain oneness in our lives? That's what this is all about. We will also enjoy a multimedia feast, short films that will be interspersed throughout the proceedings. They'll be shown on the screens behind me. They will change our focus, they will change the pace of the Samagam today, and they will invite further curiosity into what oneness is all about. So without further ado, let's move on. We're going to have an introduction to the NIS logo, and we're going to see 3 short films that will tell us a little bit more about why we are here today and introduce us to the Sant Nirankari Mission. Please, a round of applause as we open our films. Welcome, everybody.
May victory be yours in the game of life. Since its inception 83 years ago, the Sant Nirankari mission has been spreading the message of peace, love and humanity. The year was 1929 and the place Peshawar, now in Pakistan. It was under the divine aegis of Baba Butta Singh Ji who inspired a small group of seekers sharing the divine experience. In 1943, he bequeathed the sacred mantle to his most devoted disciple, Baba Avtar Singh Ji, whose extraordinary persona was instrumental in proliferating the essence of spiritual life among seekers. The baton of enlightenment was then passed on to Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji in 1962, whose divine leadership made the mission flourish.
शत्रु नहीं समझते, किसी को ऐसा विशेष मित्र नहीं समझते कि ये मेरा कोई खास मित्र है, दूसरा कमती मित्र है, सारे उसके लिए मित्र और एक जैसे ही होते हैं.
The expression of humanity embraced all, irrespective of worldly divides. In 1980, His Holiness Baba Hardev Singh Ji continued to share the message of love with the greatest sense of urgency. Working tirelessly to realize the vision of one global family. He has inspired and enriched the lives of millions of people in every continent towards this vision of oneness. One world, one mankind, acquire the vision of oneness.
Riding the tide of ego, I lost my track. In arrogance and hatred, life flew by. The ending arrived upon me with a thud. And grounded again, I feel like soil. It just took a while, it just took a while. Knowing you, I know no death. Like a river, I have met the sea. Enlightened, I am one with you. Smiling till eternity.
If there is light in the soul, there will be beauty in the person. If there is beauty in the person, there will be harmony in the house. If there is harmony in the house, there will be order in the nation. If there is order in the nation, there will be peace in the world. Religion, in the true sense, must start with cleansing one's mind and thoughts. Then our true spirituality naturally flows into our actions, conducted through our physical form, with the desire to serve selflessly with body, mind and wealth for the betterment of humanity. You and I. No power on earth can possibly fulfill the slogans of world peace and human brotherhood unless relations between you and I, that is, man and man, become smooth and amiable. Spirituality is nothing but one's relationship with God. Our everyday life, our compassion for all, goodwill without prejudice, or support without a cause reflects our true spirituality. The Supreme Being, the formless God, is indivisible, infinite, eternal, immortal, permanent, stable, calm, and beyond time and space. This Supreme Being is almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, beyond the attributes of color and form, Nirankar. All these attributes are found only in Nirankar. The Sant Nirankari mission enables one to realize the Supreme Being by bestowing the vision that is divine.
सत्संग जी प्रेम से कहना धन्यकार जी.
Today, the head of the Sant Nirankari mission, Nirankari Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj, is striking a balance between spiritualism and materialism through enlightenment and combining the art of living with a lasting inner peace. Fatherhood of God spells out spontaneous brotherhood of mankind, the bedrock of a world family. The feeling of universal brotherhood, of being one family in one world, is a natural outcome of God realization. When we have understood its true nature, this is because an enlightened being accepts that every fellow human is an image of God. Therefore, respect for all is a reflection of life merged with God. Undertaking salvation tours all over the world, Nirankari Babaji has a bold message to convey. Man is man when he's human. He is a human when the entire mankind is his family. Mankind is his family when the all-pervading formless God, Nirankar, is his home. God can be his home when he actually knows him and blissfully identifies himself with him. Babaji says, "Know the truth, and truth shall set you free." Truth is higher than everything, but higher still is truthful living. By truth we mean God knowledge, and truthful living means acknowledging God's grace every minute, so that a righteous way of life can be achieved. The mission propagates that all assets, physical, material and intellectual, belong to God, and we, as mere trustees, are ordained to use them for common good of the whole human race. This spells living a life above narrow prejudices and dogmas of caste, color and creed. By becoming respectful and tolerant towards others' mode of dress, diet and culture, one is enabled to lead a purposeful, self-reliant family life while maintaining order in the society. The Sant Nirankari mission is essentially a spiritual movement dedicated to human welfare. It encourages followers to set an example of day-to-day life and inspires them to serve and help those in need. Devotion to God finds expression in one's behavior towards fellow beings. Nirankaris are enthusiastic in their social welfare efforts. The Nirankari mission runs a full-fledged healthcare center with modern facilities. In addition, there are charitable and mobile dispensaries attached to Sant Nirankari Bhavans in different parts of the country. The mission is the leading blood-donating voluntary organization in India and holds blood donation camps across the world. Devotees do not shed blood of others. Rather, they donate blood so that it may give new life to others by flowing in their veins. Nirankaris donate blood not to oblige others, but as a sacred duty towards humanity. The Sant Nirankari mission is always at the forefront, providing relief measures during natural calamities such as floods, earthquakes, cyclones and tsunamis. Volunteers of the mission Sevadal reach the affected area and can be seen working and devoting all their resources, physical, mental and material, to help the victims in their time of need. The mission operates a postgraduate college at Sona, Haryana, and many schools across the country, where, in addition to formal education, an ethos of humanity and morality is instilled. Scholarship programs help those in need. Elementary education centers also give basic education and skills training to adults. True religion unites. It never divides. Like the white light of heavens, religion stands broken into many colored fragments by the prisms of men. The Sant Nirankari mission reunites these fragments and directs humanity towards the white light of heavenly truth. There is no need to convert to a new faith, but there is a need to revert to one's respective faith with added firmness, to acquire a deeper understanding of our holy scriptures in all minute philosophical details, so that we can live together in a spirit of peaceful and harmonious coexistence.
Wow. Religion unites, never divides. What a beautiful introduction to the global spiritual movement known as the Sant Nirankari mission, and in some parts of the Western world known as the Universal Brotherhood. बहुत ही प्रभावशाली रूप से इस छोटी सी पिक्चर ने हमें Sant Nirankari मिशन से विस्तार के साथ परिचित किया है। जैसे हमने देखा, आज शायद ही कोई दुनिया का ऐसा देश हो जहां इस मिशन का प्रचार ना किया जा रहा हो, और मिशन का एक ही संदेश है कि दुनिया भर के इंसानों, हमारा एक ही पिता है, हम सब इसी के बच्चे हैं। मानव परिवार भी एक ही है। This human family is one, not many. And what we have to do in our lives is know our Maker, meet our Maker, get to know where we are from. Now I have the great privilege of introducing to this auditorium the sisters from Rajpura, Punjab, two sisters, Dimple ji and Shivani ji. They will lead us into the first hymn of today's assembly. And that hymn is an ode to the beloved. It's an ode to the Lord and to that divine personality who can lead us to him. So I would like to request Shivani ji and Dimple ji from Rajpura, Punjab to take their seats and to take us into the first hymn of this evening. Please give them a round of applause. we have all been waiting for. Together, let us join in witnessing the arrival of an angelic personality, an illumined spiritual being, His Holiness Nirankari Babaji, accompanied in this grand auditorium by Holy Mother Raj Mataji and respected Pujya Mataji. अब सभी जय घोष में शामिल हों। सतगुरु बाबा हरदेव सिंह जी महाराज की जय। निरंकारी राजमाता गुरबचन अवतार की जय। परम पूज्य माता जी की जय। हम सब के हृदय के सम्राट, जिनके कारण यह सुंदर वातावरण हमें मिला है, वो दिव्य महाआत्मा अब हमारे बीच पधार चुके हैं। हमारे दिलों पर राज करने वाले हमें दर्शन देने के लिए मंच पर विराजमान हो चुके हैं। आप सब अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। Bab Saad Sangat Ji, Reverend Sukhjinder Singh Ji, General Secretary of the Sant Nirankari Mission, UK, is making his way to the stage. Sukhjinder Ji will welcome all the internationally assembled guests, the dignitaries, everybody that is here in attendance to enjoy today's assembly. Reverend Sukhjinder Singh Ji.
साध संगत जी प्यार से बोलिए धन निरंकार। सतगुरु बाबा जी, राजमाता जी, पूज्य माता जी और दुनिया के हर कोने से आए महात्मा डेलीगेट के रूप में जो यहाँ उपस्थित हैं और यूके की सर्वत साध संगत जिनके ऊपर सतगुरु बाबा जी ने ये निरंकारी इंटरनेशनल समागम की दात दी है। दास हृदय से सतगुरु बाबा जी और आप सभी संतों का अति धन्यवादी है कि आपने ये सतगुरु का जो वननेस का मैसेज है ये रिसीव करने के लिए ये जो बाबा जी मानवता इंसानियत का जो धर्म है इसे एक मैसेज के रूप में आपके सामने लेके आए हैं। बरसों बरस से ये मैसेज यहाँ इस देश में भी दुनिया के हर कॉर्नर में भी ये दिया गया, तो ये एक सतगुरु की अपार बख्शिश है। तो इसलिए इस समागम को साध संगत इस रूप में लाने के लिए बहुत से नौजवान बहनों भाइयों ने योगदान दिए हैं। बहुत ही सेवा दल के नौजवानों ने भी इसमें पूरा अपना हिस्सा योगदान दिया है। ठीक कुछ महीनों से ये जो स्टेज शोज और लंदन ओलंपिक गेम्स के दरमियान एक जो कम्युनिटी गेम्स की गई और लेस्टर में भी एक ओपन प्रोग्राम किया गया, ये आप सब संतों की साध संगत सतगुरु की अपार बख्शिश है कि ये हमें सभी को एक आशीर्वाद रूप में बाबा जी ने वरदान दिया। दास की यही प्रार्थना है कि सच्चा पातशाह दुनिया में अमन शांति का जो पैगाम आप दे रहे हैं हर इंसान इसे अपना पाए और एक यूनिवर्सल जो कम्युनिटी है, जो आप ऐसा वातावरण देखना चाहते हैं अपने मैसेज के थ्रू, वो हम सभी इसको मैसेज को आगे ले पाएँ, अपने हृदय में जगह दें और इंसान का इंसान से प्यार हो बन जाए, एकता बन जाए, निम्रता हृदय में प्रवेश कर रहे। तो बाबा जी यही कामना है, आप कृपा करो ये सभी जनसमूह जो साध संगत के रूप में आपके हृदय आपके यहाँ उपस्थित हैं और दुनिया के कोने कोने में भी जितने इंसान बस रहे हैं सबके हृदय में इंसानियत प्रति प्यार और श्रद्धा भक्ति एक साध संगत काम हो जाए। तो दास इन्हीं शब्दों से बाबा जी का अति धन्यवादी है। आप सभी महापुरुषों का जो दुनिया के कोने कोने से आए हैं आपका भी अति धन्यवादी है। साध संगत जी प्यार से बोलिए धन निरंकार।
With one swift breath, billions of moments pass by. Of the bud breathes life to abundance, and the chaos of abundance stems from the genius of one. One person's dream came to the benefit of all, and the world responded with simple appreciation. Sequential heartbeats carry us through thousands of journeys. Thousands of journeys will lead us to one place. One act of grace can nullify retribution. One defining action can determine your life. One beat of the drum can make us all dance. One leap of aspiration can lead many to inspiration. One voice, one smile, one laugh, one hug can touch billions with the same one love. One genuine heart sends ripples of peace to perimeters. Embrace the abundance. It's all one. Live your journeys, breathe in every single moment, because it all comes down to one simple thing. Celebrate who you are and feel oneness.
Wait a minute. Did you catch that? Those sounds, those sights, that electricity. Let's see that again.
With one swift breath, billions of moments pass by, a swirl of experiences wrapped within one beautiful sphere, a symphony of systems engineered by one vision. One opening of the bud breathes life to abundance, and the chaos of abundance. His dream came to the benefit of all, and the world responded with simple appreciation. Sequential heartbeats carry us through thousands of journeys. Thousands of journeys will lead us to one place. One act of grace can nullify retribution. One defining action can determine your life. One beat of the drum can make us all dance. One leap of aspiration can lead many to inspiration. One voice, one smile, one laugh, one hug can touch billions with the same one love. One genuine heart sends ripples of peace to perimeters. Embrace the abundance. It's all one. Live your journeys. Breathe in every single moment, because it all comes down to one simple thing. Celebrate who you are and feel oneness.
This world is constantly moving. We're born, we learn how to talk, how to walk. We go to school, we make friends. We go to university, we get a job. We build a family, we build a life, school. All of this stuff constantly happens. Promotions, cars, houses, go, go, go. But where does that leave me? I often envision myself on a roller coaster going 100 miles per hour. Everything around me is just whizzing by. I begin to imagine myself in relation to the world and lose a sense of myself. Where am I? Where am I going? Stop and reflect. Imagine who you are in this world, regardless of the fast-paced world that's around you. You see, just think of your typical day. You wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you eat breakfast, you go to school, you come back and you study, or you go to work and you come and spend some time with your family. Is life just a routine? Is that all that's left for us? That constant movement from here to there and then back there again. That's not life. That's not what life is supposed to be. You see, I've experienced what life is supposed to be. Someone's shown me what life is supposed to be. They say that you can find calm in chaos if you know where to look. They say that peace is not a place without trouble or hard work or distress, but instead, peace is being amidst all of that, yet feeling comfort and serenity in your heart. And if you watch this video, it clearly shows you what that constant peace is in this world. In the midst of all this craziness, there's someone that's shown me the way. There's someone that's brought me on this path. This morning I took a walk, and I was like, Shobita, you know what? Go ahead and try to experience life for 30 seconds, just 30 seconds. And I touched my feet to the ground, and I felt the sensation of my toes hitting the hard floor. I felt the warm breeze against my skin. I felt the air going down my throat, giving life to me. Saints, this is what living truly is. There's 100 sensations, emotions, feelings that come with every second. Have you tried to feel them? Have you tried to experience them? I dare you. When you walk out these doors, try to experience it. Forget that routine that we have every day. That's going to be there forever. But in every second, every moment experience Him, I promise you, you will feel nothing but bliss. In every moment, in every second, He is with us. So go out there, climb that ladder, be successful, do what you want to do, get your goals done, but never, ever, ever forget to breathe in, breathe out, and experience His love. Saints with love, Dawn and Garchi.
थैंक यू वेरी मच शोभिता। जैसे आप अनुमान लगा ही चुके होंगे, ये बहन यूएसए से प्रदारे हैं, जहां ये शिकागो में रहते हैं। ये राजकवि जी और पापा रामचंद्र जी के परिवार का एक अनमोल हिस्सा हैं। शोभिता जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। 2012 has proved to be a most momentous year in the United Kingdom, in British history. We've been enthralled by the Jubilee celebrations, and we've enjoyed London 2012, the wonderful Olympics that are now in their closing phase. The 5 Olympic rings, perhaps one of the most recognizable symbols on the planet. What do they tell us? They represent the 5 continents, but they're interlocked, suggesting integration. I wonder whether we see that integration in this world today. And the motto of the Olympics, faster, higher, stronger. It's about individuals reaching and evolving to the pinnacle of their potential, perhaps even transcending it. The Olympics join the world as one through sporting excellence, friendship and respect, the values that we know the Olympics stand for. And what better backdrop than this for the Sant Nirankari mission to share its message with the world? For this is a mission of universal brotherhood. This is a mission in which we don't just tolerate diversity, we actively celebrate it. The Nirankari mission joins us as many colored threads into one tapestry of humankind. So today, you will see in the multimedia presentations that we will be including the Olympic themes throughout the program, and we will be relating them to the mission's message of oneness. That essential aspect of ourselves which transcends all outward differences, that commonwealth that enriches and joins us all together. Now let's travel from Illinois, Chicago, to Gujarat, where I'm going to have the privilege of welcoming onto the stage Mr. Govind Barodji. Many of us will remember him with great fondness from the early 90s when he traveled Europe and North America alongside Rishi Kamalji, Joginder Singh Ji Kamal. Govindji will be sharing a hymn in the Gujarati language entitled Liberation. This song has been written by Mohan Damania, a renowned poet of Gujarat and the coordinator of the Daman branch of the mission there. और गोविंद के उपरांत भक्ति का एक और अनूठा रंग लेकर 2 कवि महात्मा हमारे बीच इंडिया से बता रहे हैं। हम बाशी मुल्तानी जी और सुरजीत सिंह नशीला जी से भी उनकी भावनाएं श्रवण करेंगे गोविंद जी के बाद।
प्रेम थी बोलजो। रंग रंगीलिया दुनिया रंग रंगीली आ दुनिया मां माया नी लगी जुलिया जे मानव माती मानवता गई અને થયા છે ઝેરીના तन मानवियों ना मन ने सुंदर बनाओ जो नफरत भरेला आलोचनो अरे गात सुंदर बाग बना मन केरा भेदभाव ने दुनिया थी पूज मटा जो ने कृपा करी आयुगना अरे दाता जीवों ने पार लगा अरे जीवों ने पार लगा भरम में भूले भोला जनना तन ना पापू क्षमाओ ले सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा दाता जगत ना मानवियों ना मन ने मोटा बनाओ सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ बनाओ। कई जन्मों झूठा चवाया एवा जीवो ने एक बनाओ सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ। दाता जगत ना मानवियों मन ने मोटा बनाओ सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ। सेवा सिमरण सत्य संग मड़ेवी सतगुरु दया दर्शाओ। सेवा सिमरण सत्य संग मड़ेवी सतगुरु दया दर्शाओ। अज्ञान दारे घेरायल मोहन आत्म ने आजवाड़ो रे सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ। दाता जगत ना मानवियों मन ने मोटा बनाओ सतगुरु एवा मन ने मोटा बनाओ। संतों